Have you ever wondered what the world looks like through your dog's eyes? While we've all heard that dogs see in black and white, that's actually a myth. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of canine vision, and what we discover might surprise you. We'll explore everything from how dogs see colors to which breeds have the best eyesight, and even share some practical tips to make playtime more engaging for your furry friend. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on more animals, travel, and lifestyle content like this. Before we jump into vision, let's put things in perspective. Dogs actually experience the world primarily through their nose. Their sense of smell is so incredible that they can detect a single teaspoon of sugar in 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Their hearing comes second. They can pick up frequencies up to 65,000 hertz, catching sounds we humans could never hear, like a mouse rustling in distant grass. But what about their vision? While it might not be their primary sense, dogs' eyes are remarkably adapted to their needs. And interestingly, their eyes are more similar to ours than those of many other animals, like horses or birds. Let's bust that black and white myth once and for all. Dogs do see colors, just not the same way we do. Here's why. Humans have 3 types of cone cells in our eyes, each sensitive to different wavelengths: red, blue, and green. This gives us our rich, vibrant color vision. Dogs, however, only have 2 types of cone cells. Think of it as having a more limited color palette. So what colors do dogs actually see? Their world is primarily made up of blues and yellows. That bright red ball you're throwing? To your dog, it probably looks brownish or grayish. Ironically, many dog toys come in colors they can barely distinguish, like red, pink, and purple. Pro tip: if you want to really grab your dog's attention, stick to blue or yellow toys. While dogs might miss out on some colors, they have an incredible ability to distinguish between different shades, especially in grayscale. This is because they have more rod cells in their eyes than humans do. These cells are particularly good at detecting light and dark variations. Here's something fascinating. Dogs also have a special reflective layer in their eyes called the tapetum lucidum. Ever notice those glowing eyes in your nighttime photos? That's this layer at work. It acts like a built-in night vision device, making them excellent companions for evening walks. When it comes to visual acuity, or the sharpness of vision, dogs only have about 20% of what humans have. If you can read something clearly from 20 feet away, your dog would need to be just 4 feet away to see the same detail. But here's where it gets interesting. Dogs excel at detecting motion, especially at a distance. This ability comes from their hunting ancestry, where spotting subtle movements could mean the difference between catching dinner or going hungry. So when your dog suddenly bolts after something you can barely see, they're not just being random. They're using their superior motion detection skills. Not all dogs see the same way. Different breeds have evolved different visual strengths. Greyhounds and Siberian Huskies typically have excellent long-distance vision, perfect for their historical roles in hunting and sledding. Border Collies have exceptional motion detection abilities, crucial for herding. Labradors and Retrievers show impressive distance vision, making them great hunting companions. On the flip side, breeds like Pugs and Bulldogs, with their shorter snouts, tend to be more nearsighted, but have a wider field of close-up vision. German Shepherds have a fantastic balance of both distant and close-up vision, ideal for their police and military work. Understanding how your dog sees the world can help you create better experiences for them. Choose toys in colors they can see. Engage them in activities that match their visual strengths. And remember, that squirrel they're chasing, they probably spotted it long before you did. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into your furry friend's world. And let us know in the comments, what surprised you most about dog vision?